In this video, we're going to be showing how to replace the master flow thermostat. First thing we're going to go to is go to the breaker box, make sure all the power is turned off to the unit, and then we'll remove the cover. Now we'll get the wires out, get everything out where you can see what wires you have. Now this unit comes pre-wired from the factory with a blue wire nut on it. Make sure you get that put to the side. Also what we're going to do, we'll disconnect the power. Get these pulled off to the side. Don't let any of these wires cross. We'll get the black wire moved off to the side. And what we want to do is get a voltage meter and make sure that the power truly is off to this unit. Power's off. I'm ready to proceed. Disconnect the pre-wired blue wire nut from the factory. Pull that aside. We'll put that back on just so we know which wire it is later. And we'll disconnect the upper conduit from the box. Pull that out and set it to the side. It's worth noting that this Romex adapter or Romex clamp does not come with this unit, so you'll make sure that you either save the one that's in the box or get a new one and replace it. We've got that loosened up. Now we'll disconnect the ground wire from the unit. And we'll pull that free. Now that we know our power is off, we can put these wires in a clump to pull them out through the hole in the bottom of the thermostat box. Make sure you save these parts. Now we're going to take our old box off. Now we're going to take our new unit. We're going to mount it in the same place that the old unit has come from. Got that set. Now we're going to remove the cover from this unit. We'll take our wire, feed it back through the factory hole in the bottom. Take our Romex nut, Romex clamp nut. Get that secured into the box. Get your wires back out where they need to go. Loosen up your ground wire. Tighten your ground wire down. And we're going to take our new wires for the new unit. They'll typically come like this with these little ends on them. Go ahead and pull those off. So now we take our flex conduit from the power unit. Fasten it back in. Take the factory wire, black wire with the white stripe, connect it back to the black wire for the thermostat unit, put the blue wire nut back on. Now we'll take our white bare wires, connect those two back together. Same thing with the black. Just give them a little tug, make sure everything is properly secured, and then we'll start pushing it back into the box. Take your cover, make sure that the thermostat dial lines up with the thermostat dial. Cover's on. Go turn your power on and watch your unit remove hot air. That's how you install the new thermostat for the Master Flow power vent. Check out the rest of our Master Flow videos on GAF.com.